Today we're going to learn about home charging your new Macan electric. And the first step of that is plugging in the vehicle. Now we're going to come back here to the rear of the car. We have charge port doors on both the driver's side and the passenger side. The driver's side has AC and DC charging, but for this video we're just going to use AC. To open the charge port door, press your hand lightly on the top and you'll notice that it will retract. Take your charger, plug it in until you hear the click. Now let's hop in the vehicle to go over some of our home charging settings.
Okay, we've just plugged in the vehicle and you can see here how much power is being delivered. You can also see your state of charge here and the battery temperature. And this little white line here is your target charge. Now to adjust the target charge, you can do so here on the PCM by dragging this little slider up and down. Now we'll leave it at 80%. It's really good for your Macan electric to kind of operate between 20 and 80 or 85% on a regular basis. Every now and then, it's great to go from a very low percentage to 100, but it's good for battery health to do that every now and then. There are a couple different ways to get to your charging menus here. One is this button right here. It shows you what's going on with your current charge, and this will pop up when you're plugged in. Or if you're not plugged in and you want to adjust your charging settings, select the charging icon there. So there's a couple of different ways you can charge at home. One is just set your target charge. It will charge to that point and stop, and it'll be ready for you after the charge is complete. Now you may live in a place where it's more cost effective to charge in the middle of the night, or you may want to set it up to where your car is at a certain temperature when you arrive to it every single morning. You can do both of those things here in Departure. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a departure timer. Now what that's going to do is take in a number of things in the car, like what temperature do I want it to be, what state of charge do I want it to be, what time of night do I want it to charge, and make sure it's ready at that time of day. So let's select a departure timer. Right now it says 12 p.m. tomorrow. Well, I usually work Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, so we'll select departure time. We'll go to 7 a.m. Give me enough time to get to work. For the date, we're not going to put that because I'm actually going to repeat that Monday through Friday. So there you can see Monday through Friday are checked. I'm going to uncheck Saturday and Sunday. All right, we're all set on our departure time. As here you can see, we're going to depart at 7 a.m. every day, Monday through Friday. Now, I would also like to pre-cool and heat my Macan electric, and so we'll show you how to do that here in just a moment. And also I would like to change some of my advanced charging settings, one of which is optimized charging. Now this is to be selected if you want to charge at a certain time of night. Say for instance you have very cheap electricity in the middle of the night and you want to charge between specific hours. This is what you're looking for. So select manually, hit X, preferred charging time. We'll say 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. and we'll save that location. Okay, so we're all set on our settings here. Let's go back to the main menu. Now here you can see 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, 76 degrees, and our pre-cool and heat's on. You also see here that this location is saved. Let's go ahead and turn on that timer to be set up for the week. Now what if I would like to change this particular setting? The pre-cool and heat setting is overall for the vehicle. So let's go here to pre-cool and heat, and I would like to change this to 72 degrees. There we go. X out of that. And for seat climate control, it'll be just me as the driver, or you can change this to be anything you like. But for this trip, it'll be just me. There we go. And let's go back to our departure timer, and here you can see that that temperature has changed for our departure. Now we'll go back to overview, and here you can see target charge. It's planned to pre-cool and heat tomorrow, so it tells you when your next timer is going to be. Here you can see our communication lighting and our charging indicator have both turned blue, and in the communication here, blue means it's waiting. So it's waiting for the timer we just set. We just set it to charge only between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. So until that time is upon us, the vehicle will not charge. Let's say I need to charge now. There's a reason I need to go ahead and override that particular departure timer. You can do so with instant charging here. Select that, and after a few seconds, it will override that particular charger, so overriding charging between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m., and it will start charging now. Now we finished setting up our departure timers and settings here in the PCM. You can also do those from your mobile device using the My Porsche app. Select the My Porsche icon, Vehicle Details, Functions, Charging. Now here you can see it's telling us about our departure that we set up. It's got our target charge, which we can adjust here as well. It's got our state of charge and the amount of range. Just like in the PCM, you can use this direct charging to override your current departure timer and begin charging. Now let's select the departure tab here, and you can see the departure tab that we configured before. And we can add another one here by selecting Add Departure, and as you can see, it has all of the same settings that we did in the PCM. If you need to delete a timer, just select the trash icon here and select Delete. Now let's say you need to leave your Macan electric for a long period of time. So all you have to do is set your target charge to 50% and make sure the vehicle is plugged in, and the Macan electric will manage that state of charge while you're gone.
Okay, so our charge is finished. We've reached our target state of charge. Now we're going to unplug the vehicle. To do so, you'll press this charge port button for a second. We'll unplug the charger, put it back on the dock here. And as you'll notice here, charge port door is going to close on its own. There's no need to close this manually using the controls on the inside of the vehicle. You can even drive away and the charge port door will close automatically. You now have configured your home charging experience with your new Macan electric.